Okay, on my 1997 Toyota Camry, the door latch from the inside does not open the door. To open the door, I have to go outside and open it. So I'm going to be working on that today. And the first thing I need to do is remove this door trim panel here. So let's get started on that. I'm about to remove the door trim panel from my car, and I wanted to note that my car does not have a side door airbag. But if you're working on a car with an airbag, you definitely want to remove the positive and negative terminals from your battery before you start. What I'm going to be doing is removing 6 Phillips head screws, one here, and you may have a cover over yours. Then there's 3 that have these little cap covers on them on the side here. There's one here, here, and here. I'll have to remove those before I can get to the screws. Then there's 2 more screws underneath. There's one here and one here. After getting the screws out, I'm going to remove this switch plate cover here and disconnect the wiring. Next, I will remove the mirror cover trim here, and then I'll remove this little plate here, trim plate. After that, there's a little clip on the side here that I'm going to have to pull out, and once that's removed, I should be able to just pull the panel off, guys. The tools I'm going to be using are obviously a Phillips head screwdriver. When possible, I'm going to use the power screwdriver. I've got a small flathead screwdriver, fairly thin, and I may use this putty knife slash paint scraper. With the door panel now pulled, we can get a closer look at how the latch works. There's 2 rods. Just through here, I'm going to have to remove this plastic water shield. Looks like there's some roofer's cement there. So it's pretty obvious that one of the rods that came out of this plastic clip here, it looks like maybe this little piece that holds it in is broken, kind of like how this one is here. That's why it's not working. It should be moving like that. So I'm going to insert it back in there and either have to get a new clip or just rig this somehow. Maybe some tape, maybe some plastic glue, just to keep it held in place there. See, it's going to keep coming out. Here's a look at a quick fix that I decided to go with. I've got some thinly gauged wire here, and I just wrapped it around the rod and the clip, and I'm going to snug it up, twist tying it really tight with some pliers. And then I've got a secondary measure I'm going to go with after this. I'm going to use liquid nails on top of the wire and the clip. And that's all I'm going to do. I've already tested it. Go ahead and test it again. So it's looking like it's going to work out just fine. Anyway, I'll let that dry and then I'll replace the trim panel, and that should do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Everyone has a great day out there, and take care.